Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the MyChart app to access your medical records. So first, open the MyChart app and sign in with your details. Now from the main menu, look for sections such as medical records, health summary, visits, or documents. Depending on your healthcare organization, you may be able to view information such as visit summaries, medications, allergies, immunization, test results, and other health records. Tap the section you want to review and select a specific record. Some records may also be available to download or share depending on the features enabled by your healthcare provider. Remember that the exact options can vary between healthcare organizations using MyChart. If you're looking for a record that isn't available, then contact your healthcare provider or MyChart support for assistance. So that was how to use the MyChart app to access your medical records. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.